Hi, this is Chris Chesley. I'm a solution architect at GreenPages and just wanted to share with you some interesting ways that our clients are using the cloud. One of the best uses we have found for the cloud, other than specific applications, is using it as a disaster recovery site. So essentially what you do is you calculate what your critical virtual machines are as far as CPU, memory, storage, that kind of thing. You could then go up to a cloud provider like VMware's vCloud Air that has a very good DR service. We have a couple other partners that we use as well. And then you essentially reserve those resources. So I need 16 sockets of virtual CPU. I need 128 gigs of memory and 11 terabytes of storage. Those resources are guaranteed for you. So once you set that up, you can start replicating your virtual machines up to the cloud. Keep them in sync, all of that, so that you meet your RPO, RTO goals for backup and recovery. And then in the event of a disaster, you have the ability to turn those virtual machines on, run them for usually weeks or months, depending on which cloud you're in. And you can essentially run your environment in that DR site at that data center, taking advantage of their redundant power, redundant connections, everything else, until you fix whatever disaster has hit your normal operating business. It's a much less expensive way of consuming cloud than buying those resources or subscribing to them on a regular basis, because you're not using those resources all the time. They're guaranteed, but they're not on all the time. Another big advantage is you have the ability to do test failover. So 2 to 4 times a year, you could take your VMs, spin them up in the cloud, in a separate test network. You can make sure that your DNS, your DHCP, all your runbook is correct, test it, and then take it down. So you have the ability to prove that you can fail over, test your runbook, so in the event of a disaster, you're prepared. So just one of the many ways our clients are finding good use for the cloud. If you have any questions, talk to a GreenPages account rep. We'd be happy to help you.